Steve Greenblatt with AVNation. We're here at ISE 2019. I'm joined with Ed McConaghay. He's the CEO of RTI. So Ed, tell me a little bit about what is new at RTI this year at ISE.
Well, RTI has been launching a lot of new products over the last couple of years, as our users have noticed. But this year we continue the expansion into the commercial professional space, particularly with a new conferencing system, a soft codec, with a multi-viewer, so 7 inputs and 4 outputs, all part of an application-specific sort of approach to the marketplace. We also are showing our RTIQ monitoring and maintenance software. It's been received great reviews over the last 5 months with thousands and thousands of installations, and it's a great monitoring service, cloud-based service by RTI. And we've got some new remotes and touch capabilities, a new very sleek 4-inch touch remote. We call it the T4X. And we're showing a waterproof remote, backed by popular demand. We call it the U3, and we've got first models in the booth, probably shipping second quarter this year.
So obviously ISE must be a great opportunity because it does blend the residential and commercial sides of things.
Right.
What does that look like in terms of developing products for one versus another?
Well, it's a little bit complicated, but mostly our dealers are continuing to expand. So the traditional residential dealer is now expanding into the commercial space, and over the years they've been pulling us there. So a large part of our business is commercial because we've been brought along by our dealers. And so that will continue. It's a little bit easier at RTI because our programming language, Integration Designer 10, we call it Apex, is really a scalable piece of software that lets a dealer program for just a single room, a whole house, a small sports bar or restaurant, all the way up to a corporate headquarters or campus. And so it gives us a lot of flexibility to be able to scale projects from the small to the large using the same piece of very flexible, customizable programming software.
So what about ISE is critical for the company?
Well, ISE is really important, one, because we see all of our international partners, but also because we end up with a nice mix of residential and, very importantly, commercial dealers. So it's one spot where we can touch all of our customers, and of course, ISE is just a great show.
And we'll wrap up with this. Looking into the future, where do you see control headed?
I see control continuing to deal with and adapt with the Internet of Things, the plethora of new products and devices that are hanging off the network. For a control company, it means that we have to be continuously adapting, becoming a platform that makes it easy for all of these new devices to attach to a centralized control system.
Heard that before.
Yeah, I'll bet you have.
Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure. Thank you very much for the time.
This has been Ed McConaghay from RTI, and I'm Steve Greenblatt with AVNation. To learn more about AVNation and see videos from ISE, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.